force acting on a current carrying conductor. Force acting on a current carrying conductor. This force is also called as the magnetic force. This force exerted by magnetic field in a conductor. When the magnetic field is produced, some current is flowing in a conductor. Its surround magnetic field is developed. That magnetic field is exerted by a force. That force is named as the magnetic field. The magnetic field exert a force on current carrying conductor. Okay. When current carrying conductor, it has magnetic field exert a force. That force is named as the magnetic force. How the magnetic field force is acted on a conductor, that we will study from an experiment. Take a horseshoe magnet. Why? Because horseshoe magnet, this horseshoe magnet is produced high magnetic field. That's why we are giving preference for U-shaped horseshoe magnet. Okay. This is the south pole. This is the north pole. I am taking the one conductor. This is a conductor or rod suspended in horseshoe magnet. So I am taking one side. This is suspended in horseshoe magnet. This is a stand for hanging the rod. Now I am constructing one electric circuit. This is a point P of the rod. This is a point A of the rod. The end of the rod is connected to battery terminal of negative. This is the negative terminal of the battery, and positive terminal of the battery is connected to plug key. One terminal, another terminal of the plug key is connected to one end of the rod. This is the electric circuit construction. Observe that here, what is the direction of the current? Current direction is positive to negative. So this is the positive, this is the direction of the current. So current direction in the rod is B to A. This is the direction of the current. Okay. Now what is the direction of the magnetic field? Here magnetic field is produced due to horseshoe magnet. This is a one kind of magnet. In case of magnet, magnetic field lines are outside the magnet is north to south direction. So magnetic field is this direction. This direction means upward direction. So magnetic field is upward direction. Here current direction is B to A. Magnetic field is denoted by a letter capital B. Magnetic field is upward direction, north to south, that is upward direction. This magnetic field exerts a force. That force is acting toward the left side. So this is the direction of the magnetic field. Okay. Here magnetic field exerts a some force. Magnetic field exerts a force. Due to this force, this conductor is moving left side, means this direction. Okay. So here force direction. Force is magnetic field exerted by a force. That force is magnetic force is towards the left direction. Due to this force, this conductor what happened? Move towards the left, this direction. Okay. When current is moving B to A direction, magnetic field is upward direction. In this situation, force acting on this conductor will displace towards the left direction, this direction. For example, I am changing the battery connection. If current direction is reversed in this circuit, what happened? What is the direction of the force acting on conductor? Here what happened? Current direction is reversed. So here what is the direction of the current? Current direction is positive to negative, means here to. In conductor, what is the direction of the current? A to B. Here current direction is A to B. But in case 1, current direction is B to A. Case 2 is A to B. Here what is the direction of the magnetic field? North to south direction. So direction of the magnetic field upward direction, no change, upward direction. Here magnetic field is denoted by letter capital B. So that is north to south direction, means upward direction. Current direction is A to B. When you switch on the electric circuit, what happened? Is exerts some force on the conductor. Due to that force, the displacement of the conductor is toward the right side. Okay, towards the right side. So this conductor is moving this direction. Okay, this direction. This is the direction of the displacement of conductor. When you reverse the current in circuit, the magnetic force acting on the conductor is towards the right side. For example, I am taking this is a point of conductor. This conductor, upward magnetic field is acting. So this is the direction of the magnetic field. Current is flowing B to A. This is the conductor. This is the B point and this is the A point of the conductor. So current is flowing B to A. This is the direction of the current. This is the direction of the magnetic field. In this situation, magnetic field exert a force, that force is acting towards the left side. This is the direction of the magnetic force. So, magnetic field direction is upward direction, current is flowing B to A direction. In this situation, the magnetic force is acting towards the left side. Okay. Current is A to B, magnetic field upward direction, then force is acting towards the right side, right hand direction. Due to this force, what happened? This conductor is moving this direction towards the right direction, right hand direction. So when current is reversed in electrical circuit, so the displacement of the conductor is towards the right side. The force is exerted towards the right side. This is a point of the conductor. Here magnetic field is acting upward direction. This is the direction of the magnetic field. Okay. This is the point of conductor A. This is the point of conductor B. So current is flowing A to B direction. This is the direction of the current. In this situation, magnetic force is acting towards the right direction. This is the magnetic force. Magnetic force is acting towards the right direction. Magnetic field is acting upward direction. Current is flowing A to B direction. Then magnetic force is acting towards the right direction. The displacement of the conductor is towards the right side. So here what we are observing? The direction of the magnetic field is depending on the direction of the current. That is the first point. Second point is maximum force is exerted by magnetic field. Observations. First point is when the direction of magnetic field in vertical upward, the direction of the magnetic field is upward in both cases, and current flow from B to A, then the conductor displays in left direction. Here what are the conditions? When the direction of the magnetic field vertically upward direction, magnetic field is upward direction, and current is flow from B to A, current is flow from B to A, then conductor displays in left direction. So conductor is displaced in left direction. When the conductor is displaced in left direction, magnetic field acting vertically upward direction and current is flowing from B to A. In that situation, the conductor displays in left direction. It means the direction of magnetic force is left. The direction of the magnetic field is left. That is the first observation. Next, second observation, when the direction of magnetic field in vertical upward direction, magnetic field is in upward direction and current flow from A to B. Here B to A, but here current direction is change A to B, but magnetic field direction is not change. Then the conductor displays which direction? Right side direction. In that situation, the conductor displays towards the right. This is a conductor, this moves this direction towards the right hand direction. So here, when the direction of the magnetic field is vertically upward direction, because magnetic field is never changes in both cases, but current flows from A to B, but current flow is A to B, current direction is reversed. Then the conductor displays in right side direction. The conductor is displays towards the right direction. It means the direction of magnetic force is right side. So the direction of the magnetic force is right side. These are the observation from above two experiments. So the direction of the magnetic force is depending on the current direction. If suppose magnetic field is also changed, in that situation what is the effect of magnetic force, that we will observe. This is the north pole of the magnet, this is the south pole of the magnet, this is the point B, this is the point B of the conductor, this is the positive terminal of the battery, this is the negative terminal of the battery. In this experiment, this is the north pole of the horseshoe magnet, this is the south pole of the horseshoe magnet. But here what happened, here this is the south pole, this is the north pole. Direction is reversed. Okay, so here magnetic field direction is north to south direction. So this is the direction of the magnetic field. So magnetic field is downward direction. But in the previous cases, magnetic field is upward direction. In this case, what happened? Magnetic field is downward direction. So magnetic field direction is changes. So what is the direction of the current? Current is, this is the positive terminal of the battery. So current direction is like this. Inside the conductor, B to A. This is the direction of the current. This is the direction of the current. In this situation, when switch on the circuit, what happened? Current is flows in the conductor. It is exert force. Due to that force, magnetic force is acting towards the left side. This is the direction of the magnetic field direction. So the displacement of the magnetic force is this direction. Okay, force is acting this direction or moving this direction. So for example, this is a conductor. When the magnetic force is acting on this conductor, in this case the conductor is moving this direction, right hand direction. Okay, so here magnetic field is downward direction, current is B to A, So force is acting towards the right side. So this conductor is moving this direction. Now I am considering this is a point of the conductor. At this point magnetic field is acting downward direction. So magnetic field, this is the direction of the magnetic field. Current is flowing B to A. This is the B point of the conductor, this is the A point of the conductor. So current is flowing B to A direction. In this situation magnetic force is acting towards the right side. For example, I am changing the current direction. If current direction is reversed, what happened? So here magnetic field is north to south direction. So magnetic field is not changed. What about the current direction? This is the positive terminal of the battery. This is the negative terminal of the battery. So current is flowing positive to negative. In the conductor, what is the direction of the current? Current is A to B direction. In previous case, what is the direction of the current? B to A. Current direction is changed. So here A to B. When you switch on the circuit, what happened? Magnetic field exert some force to the conductor. So this conductor is moving towards the left direction. This is the direction of the displacement of conductor. So this conductor is moving this direction. Suppose this is a conductor. When magnetic force is exert on this conductor, so this conductor is displacement towards the left side direction. Left side direction. So magnetic field is acting left side. Okay. For example, this is a point on the conductor. From this point magnetic field is acting downward direction. So this is the magnetic field direction denoted by capital B. This is the A point of the conductor. This is the B point of the conductor. Current is flowing A to B direction. So this is the direction of the current. In this situation magnetic force is acting on this conductor towards left direction. Okay, this direction. So due to magnetic force this conductor is displaced towards the left hand direction. From this cases what we are understanding? The magnetic force is not only depending on the current, it is also depending on the magnetic field direction. Okay, field. Next point here, magnetic field and current, magnetic force, these three are mutually perpendicular direction. For example, this is a coordinate system. For example, I am taking this is the x axis, this is the y axis, this is the z axis. Among these axes, one axis acting magnetic field direction, one axis acting current direction, one axis acting magnetic force direction. So these three are mutually perpendicular to each other. When these three are mutually perpendicular to each other, in that situation this conductor will get maximum force acting on that conductor. Observations. When the direction of magnetic field is vertically downward and current flows from B to A direction, then conductor displays right hand direction. Okay. Here, what is the direction of the magnetic field? When the direction of the magnetic field is vertically downward direction and current flows from B to A, in that situation, magnetic force acting on the conductor, that conductor displays right hand direction. Right hand direction means this direction. Okay. It means magnetic force acting right side. Second point, when the direction of magnetic field is vertically downward direction and current flows from A to B, then conductor displays left hand direction. When the direction of the magnetic field is vertically downward, but here magnetic field direction is not changed and current flows from A to B, so current direction is reversed. In this situation, the conductor exert magnetic force. Due to that magnetic force, conductor displays left hand direction. It means magnetic force acting left side. Okay. Conclusions. What are the conclusion of the experiment? First point, the displacement of the rod suggests that a force exerted on the current carrying rod when it is placed in a magnetic field. That is the first point. The displacement of the rod suggests that force exerted on current carrying rod. When the current is carrying on a rod, that current suggests a force. That force can be helps to the rod displacement. When it gets the displacement, when it is placed in magnetic field. Okay, when it is placed in magnetic field, it has some current is flowing. That current exert a force. That force will helps to the rod will get displacement. That is the first conclusion. If suppose current is not passing in a rod, in that situation the rod will does not get displacement. Second point, the displacement of rod in different directions is suggest that when the direction of current is reversed, then the direction of magnetic field also reversed. Second point, the displacement of rod in different direction. So the displacement of the rod is different directions, that is depending on the direction of the current is reversed. Direction of the current is reversed means current direction is changed, the displacement of the rod is also changed. Then the direction of the magnetic field also reversed. Suppose magnetic field direction is also changed, then the displacement of the rod is also changed. So the displacement of the rod is depending on current as well as magnetic field direction. Next point, the direction of magnetic force depends on direction of electric current and direction of magnetic field. So next point here, the direction of the magnetic field depends on the direction of electric current and direction of the magnetic field. Next point, the direction of magnetic field and current are perpendicular to each other, then direction of magnetic force is also perpendicular to both of them. Here, first of all, magnetic field and current are perpendicular to each other, means like this. For example, this is the current direction, this is the magnetic field direction. So these two are perpendicular to each other. Next, the direction of the magnetic force is also perpendicular to both of them. So this is the direction of the current, this is the direction of the magnetic field, this is the direction of the force. So these three are perpendicular to each other. You will observe these two are, angle between these two lines is 90 degrees, and also these two lines is also 90 degrees. So these three are mutually perpendicular to each other. Next point, the maximum force we should get when direction of magnetic field current and force are mutually perpendicular to each other. Here maximum force, we should get the direction of magnetic field, current and force are mutually perpendicular. In that case we should get the maximum magnetic force will get. Okay, here condition is magnetic field and current and magnetic force, these three are in mutually perpendicular direction. In that situation we should get maximum force. So first point, the displacement of the rod suggests that a force, that force exerted on the current carrying conductor. When current carrying on a conductor, in that situation the rod will suggest a displacement, that is when it is placed in magnetic field. Suppose the rod is placed in magnetic field, in that rod current is flowing in direction. In that situation the rod will exert a force, that force will helps to displacement of the rod. Second point, the displacement of the rod in different directions. So the displacement of the rod is sometimes it moving towards the right side and sometimes towards the left side, that is depending on the direction of the current. So when current is flowing B to A direction, the rod is moving left direction. When current is moving A to B direction, the rod will moving right hand direction. Okay, and also the displacement of the rod is depending on magnetic field direction. When you place the magnetic field is in upward direction, the displacement of the rod is one type. When you place the magnetic field is in downward direction, the displacement of the rod is different type. So the displacement of the rod is depending on the magnetic field and current. Next point, the direction of the magnetic force is depending on the two things. First one is current and second one is magnetic force. Next, fourth point, the direction of the magnetic field and current are perpendicular to each other. The direction of the magnetic force is also perpendicular to both of them. So the three things, magnetic field and current, next force, are mutually perpendicular to each other. Next point, the maximum force we should get when the displacement of the direction of the magnetic field and current and force, these three are in mutually perpendicular direction. In that situation the rod will get maximum magnetic force. This is about force acting on a conductor. This is very, very important for your board exams. Practice more times, understand the concept.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.